William points toward a gray, drizzling CloudPuff hovering over the mysterious wondergate. Chewy whines as a cloud heart symbol pulses. With a soft touch, they shrink, floating helplessly into the vibrant Sky Meadow. Sparkles fall from rainy clouds while yellow ones glow like suns. Yet, one sad CloudPuff drifts alone. William notices an ancient stone tablet where icons of sun and rain begin to shimmer. William sits down, mirroring the cloud's sad face. A single sparkle tear falls as the cloud turns bright yellow. Touching the rain and sun icons, William restores the balance. He smiles gently, saying, "Feelings are like weather, and all are okay." The meadow hums in perfect agreement. The gate shimmers, pulling them home. Above, the fluffy cloud bobs happily. A lantern symbol glows on William's backpack. Next stop, the Glow Sprite Light Adventure.